I want to start from the inside out. I want to go interior to exterior. Why I want to do that is because I want to know how long this piece is going to be. I can always blend it into the bottom, but if you start in the bottom and you start layering up and then all of a sudden the layers are shorter than you wanted, then you've messed up your execution, what you wanted to do. The next thing we need to break down. I know I'm gonna go long layers, so I know I wanna start inside out. Now I need to know my horizontal line. So we talk about our vertical, how long do we want this to be? How much layering do we wanna do? And now, where do I want to move the weight side to side? Do we want her to have rounded looking layers that go around the face or around the head this way? Do we want it to be more balanced in the back like this? Do I want to pull everything back and have it cut into a line in the back? That would give me weight towards the edges, towards the corners here. Those are really the two things that I think about in this scenario. Do we want to have weight in the corners is the question. I don't want to have weight in the corners for this cut, so we're going to be moving in a circular motion around the head shape, and we're going to work pie-shaped sections till we get to the corner here. Same thing, 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, and we're going to work layering out from the head. This is where hair cutting gets broken down into such a simple form where there's literally two things to think about. There's how much do we want to graduate or layer. So graduation is anything below 90 degrees. So if I've got this held out from the head shape here, I'm at 90 degrees. All this is layering. If I lift the hair higher and higher, it's going to get more layered, right? But it's going to get more layered and shorter as we go, unless we decide that we want this length here. I lift it up and then we can start to concave or collapse the rest of the hair here, but hold on to that length where we want it to be cut. Or you've got the hair out like this. This is 90 degrees here. Anything below that, we drop it just 1 degree. We start building weight on the head shape. A lot of people will cut layers and not be aware that the head shape is curving and you're working on a round surface. So they're not aware that they're actually at 89, 85, 75, whatever it is, doesn't matter, but it's below 90. And they're not aware that some of the section they're holding, like if I'm holding all of this in my hand, I might think I'm coming out and I'm cutting this all at layered. I'm layering it all, but I'm not layering it all because this part here, this is actually at almost 45 degrees. This is 90, then here is almost 45 degrees. 90 is here. So I need to be up here with this section in order to not build extra weight on the back end of that cut. So if I take this section up, and I cut it here, when I drop that, I've got a little bit of a heavy shelf building up because that's the weight, that's the graduation on the top end of that section. Does that make sense?